Hello there! Today a new video in series called Fresh Volvo Car User, in which I occasionally post videos about cars that could be useful for any driver. Today we'll try out Windshield Wiper Blade Cutter, Trimmer or Restorer, or how it's called on the internet. Not gonna lie, I don't believe in these miracles. They promise that make wipers last up to 3 times longer. Ha! Here's the packaging with multiple microfiber cloths and so-called miracle wiper wizard. Doesn't look like a part of NASA technology, but still, let's try it out. Maybe I'm wrong about it. Let's look at how my old window brushes clean. As you can see, a lot of stripes, and cleans pretty badly. I hope that this thing will help me renew my old brushes. New window brushes cost around $20 to $30. This wiper wizard though only $3 to $5. Nice! Let's begin. Can't wait to see the result. Put on the brush sharpener and sharpen it multiple times. Then with microfiber cloth clean the brush and test it out. And here we go. Oh yeah, nothing changed. Maybe even worse result XD. Let's give this miracle another try. Sharpen, sharpen, and then again sharpen these brushes and then wipe them off. I even removed brushes to at least get better result. So let's test it again. Oh my god, the miracles sometimes don't happen. Nice stripes like before, maybe even worse lol. You smell that? Smells like I have to buy new brushes. But I am an honest person, so let's give this another try. Sharpen it like one of your samurai swords. Wipe it off and sharpen it again. And at the end wipe it off. Maybe this time there will be a result. And nothing new. Now I'm sure that this wizard can't do anything. Just waste my money. Let's be real, rubber is becoming old and hard. That's why they are cleaning badly. Well, thanks for watching. If you actually bought this wizard, leave down in the comments your experience with it. In the next video, I will take a look in this wiper wizard. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!